What we're looking at here. What is this new ETTER product line that we have?
Well, basically what we wanted to do is try to help customers that have new requirements for paperless recording with encrypted files. They want to have better control of their product and processing by using profile controllers that can automatically set certain temperatures, pressures, flows consistently in every process. And what we found is that these products are great, but a little cumbersome to use for the operator. It doesn't really matter which brand, make, model. They all do the similar thing, and they're all a little tough for the operators to use. So what we came up with is the ETTER Advanced Operator Interface that communicates with both these devices and can use barcode technology to help read and write back and forth and step through the process with the operator. It will tell the controller to start, it will tell the recorder to start batch logging, it will finish a file and compile it and save it off to an encrypted source. It will tell the internet when something is broken. It will tell the process controller which file to run, because some of these things can have up to 200 different processes, and they may be used in the food processing, heat treating, aerospace, pharmaceutical. So we're really trying to make it easier for the operator to run a machine for better quality, better consistency, and more ease of use.
You know, we can do other than barcode, you could do other technologies as well. If you have like an RFID, or if it has something with barcode and something else has got in there, or if you need to manually type in different things.
Keyboard and mouse.
Keyboard and mouse, yeah.
Keyboard and mouse, good. Yeah.
How easy is this to configure and install in the field?
Once you get the RAM soak profile set up in the process controller, it's very easy to set up. You basically just, when the new product comes in, you associate it with one of the RAM soak profiles, and it takes 2 seconds to configure, and then you're off and running, which is nice. So you're not fumbling around with books and charts and all sorts of spreadsheets to try to figure out what you're supposed to do. You can just kind of associate different products with different RAM soak profiles, or set up RAM soak profiles that are somewhat generic that you could then choose and set up based on certain products.
There's a lot of flexibility in the design of this system, so we would work with each process and each customer differently to configure this for exactly what they need, whether they need to upgrade other parts of this to communicate, and then of course we'd be there to support them through the startup and the training and launching this product and process line.
Yeah. One of the positives about it is all the communication is done over Ethernet, so these devices don't need to be anywhere near each other. So this operator interface can be, at the start of the line while the chart recorder is in an office, and this is buried in a control panel that's actually operating the oven. So this can be in a central location and can be used to operate, multiple chart recorders, multiple process controllers. So you can essentially have one of these in a central location, and it could be 3 or 4 ovens in that room, and you'd be able to control them all. And then, like I said, it's over Ethernet, so you can monitor it from from the offices and so on and so forth. And if needed, you could have it available on the internet too. But that's
Yeah, and many of these types of recorders do multiple batches. So in this one example that we've configured here, this one recorder can be talking to 10 different machines running different processes at the same time. And that's the whole key, is that we're manipulating this from afar, and it's logging it as if it was right there locally.
right. I'll go through a quick step of how easy it is to do. So using a barcode scanner or by manually typing in information, you can first scan a barcode of the operator. I have some barcodes printed here below, and I scanned a barcode for John Doe. And now I'll scan a product, and we'll use product C. We can also scan additional information to keep on the chart. So I've scanned a barcode that just says miscellaneous for miscellaneous information. Now I will hit scan a barcode that says start batch. And as you can see, the batch is now recording. It's digital, it's paperless, it's encrypted. From this screen you can see the temperature of the oven. So the person who is operating the oven can then verify that the temperature is going up, down, soaking, and doing whatever it has to. Once you're done, you simply scan the stop barcode, and you'll see that the process stopped. An encrypted file via email, or it can be sent to a secure server that can be used for compliance reporting and record keeping. So some of the problems that this solves are, as I mentioned earlier, it's ease of use. Okay, it's paperless recording. It can be used for the food industry, for the pharmaceutical industry, and keeps up with 21 CFR Part 11. It's also going to be used for the heat treat industry, following AMS 2750E, and for the aerospace industry, following NADCAP. Other things that the system can do include keeping track of how long various components have been used. So for preventative maintenance, we can alert the operator to how long, say, a thermocouple has been in use and it needs to be replaced. So basically anything for instrument runtime can be logged and alerted to make sure that the system is always running at its peak performance.